This is the Dropster, manufactured in the USA by Aegis with steel from Fayette Pipe. This drop nipple saves fire sprinkler system installers like you money. And depending on the size of the system, savings can be significant. Here's how we do it for you. The highest quality fire sprinkler drop nipples have 3 benefits for installers. 1. Dropster costs less than conventional drop nipples. 2. There are 33% fewer leak points on Dropster versus traditional drop nipples. 3. There's less labor involved because each Dropster is a single unit. So you spend less, you work less, and you install a superior product. That sounds like a win-win-win to me. Call right now for a quick quote. Let's take a look at conventional systems versus the Dropster. The old way meant having to assemble all of this prior to each and every sprinkler head installation. 3 parts per sprinkler head to purchase and make ready, plus more opportunity for leaks. The Dropster changes all of that. A single quality part to purchase and 33% less potential to leak. Plus, think of the time you'll save on labor. You owe it to yourself and your customers to check out the Dropster. Fill out the form on this page and we'll get you started installing smarter systems using the Dropster ASAP.